Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the live US section. Today is very interesting because after last week, we talked about we want to buy a dollar, and actually we did. Thursday. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the live US section. Sorry, today is very interesting because after last week, we talked about we want to buy a dollar. Sorry about technical issue. Actually, we did. So yeah. So basically, what I want to show you is what I want to talk about is why we bought dollar against the pound, and we were waiting very patient about to break the 101.50, and actually it did. I'm gonna just share my screen now. Okay. So I'm gonna bring the dollar index chart, daily time frame. So we talk about we want to see dollar gain above 101.50, and after Thursday, this nice bullish bar, which is this one, reject the support level and start to break the trend line. So we saw some momentum on dollar. That's why when Thursday I was live on the section, Jake, my partner, took the dollar, the pound dollar short. And Friday as well, we had another continuation bar. Now, yesterday we saw a little bit of pullback, but I'm still at the moment, if prices stay above this, if come back here and stay above until 101.50, I'm still bullish on dollar. But if price start to break lower, 101.50, I'm gonna be a little bit mindful about the dollar strength. So let's talk about a little bit today. It's a very interesting market today because we are waiting some clear pattern, because after the we took pound dollar short, now we are out of the trade because this is the daily time frame of pound. I'm gonna bring the 4-hour chart. This 4-hour chart. So this was the entry of Jake here. I break this level. I took on Friday here, and I put a break even when the price get lower. I didn't take profit, but I didn't lose anything, so I done just break even trade. Now I'm still waiting because you see it's very hard price action. This one is a huge bar to trade. So for me now, pound dollar short is out of the trade because I want to see a clear picture. So the only things I'm gonna short if it's gonna break one channel, which I'm gonna bring the IG chart, which I have this is where we trade, IG platform. So until it doesn't break this level, I'm not gonna trade pound anymore. So I wanna see price get below 124.50. So break below and stay below. So I wanna clear this channel now, because I have better option to short dollar, which is euro dollar. Euro dollar, if we bring daily time frame, is already on downtrend. So you can see the direction of daily is already down. The 8 and 20, they already crossover. So if we drop down time frame, we can see better. So we have beautiful 4-hour downtrend with nice cycle. So if you're a beginning trader, this is a textbook for you. So we have 1, 2, 3 cycle. This is high, so lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. As you can see, this last lower high is rejecting now nicely the trend line, which is this one, and also a support resistance level. This was previous was support, now is a resistance because price is rejecting. You can clearly see after this bullish price action, we have now this engulfing bearish bar. This actually is like a textbook for us because is one of our strategy what we teach in our program, which is called Simple Bounce. And if you are a member of our simple trading program on Facebook, we have a tutorial video which explain more about this strategy, which is free. So if you want to join, the link is below on this description. So if we drop down 30 minutes time frame, we are just in waiting. I think so it's gonna be ready soon. Just waiting for the crossover and then price come back. So I wouldn't want to short the euro dollar on if price get below and reject the pivot level, I will shorten the euro dollar. Also, it's nice rejecting this trend line beautifully. So this on top of my list, euro dollar short. The other currency pair I'm not interested about because dollar yen can see price actually dollar yen is looking interesting, but yeah, just be patient to have the nice setup. But as we saw on Friday and Thursday, so just have like 2 to 1 very quickly, 1 maximum today out of the trade, please, because the market is very, I don't know where it's gonna go. I said this because we can clearly see from the indices. I'm gonna bring the trading view. So let's talk first about Nasdaq, because Nasdaq is look bullish and rejected the level what we talked as well last week. But I just came across on something here previously. So let me clear now 1 second the volume. Okay, so so it's better clear now. So Nasdaq is below, so above this 13,400 level, and for me it's just false breakout because we think the indices will drop if dollar is gonna gain. If price is gonna stay above, I think so we're gonna have a little run on the indices, but not much, and a little bit of weakness on dollar. So, but pay attention on this circle what I draw here, because price can do similar things now. So after this uptrend here, nicely, price start to go lower. Now we had a little bit upside, ranging market, and now it's trying to break, but I can't see very strong price action like this one. Very shallow price action. So you see, this was nice price action, nice bullish, and then boom. I could probably see the same things. That's why I had this circle line here. So we're gonna have another push, and then price get lower. But let's wait until we're gonna stay above. I will be patient about the indices, because also let me get the QQQ chart, which is the ETF of Nasdaq. So price, yes, pre-market is look like a little bit down, but price, if it still stay above of this trend line, we could go still a little bit on upside. But if price come back, will be benefit the dollar. We have some alert. We're gonna come back later. S&P 500 is still in the middle of the range. We want to see clearly break the 4,200 level, which is this one. So we have this price have to come and stay above. If price still is gonna stay here, I'm gonna be dollar buyer. Let's see S&P SPY, which is the ETF trust of the S&P 500. Yeah, I think so. Price, if doesn't break this trend line, we could probably see some bearish movement today on the indices. Let's see at 2:30 when it's gonna open, if prices stay above or breaking lower. If break lower, I will be shorting as well the S&P 500 until this 4,000 mark. Let's bring the S&P 500 and see if, yeah. So this is the chart to S&P 500, which I have this box highlight here, which is the domain area. So if price gonna go lower on the weekly pivot, I will be shorting on momentum trade, but very short trade. I think so maximum today. I'm gonna be out. If price is gonna let me go in, if I see some bearish price action, I will be shorting S&P 500. Let's wait until 2:30 about the confirmation. Let's see Dow Jones, what is doing. Dow Jones is ranging as well. So let's see if altogether they're gonna drop. Russell, yes, saw some strength, but if price doesn't break here, I don't think so. We're gonna see some upside the other indices as well. Okay, moving on the European indices, because I have some level which I want to short if some reversal trade here. I want to short the DAX if price, because price is rejecting already a few times this level 16,000. I will see if price get below and stay below. I will be shorting. So I'm gonna set alert on this on top right price level. If price is gonna change, I will put price if gonna break, and then I'm gonna check. So 15,840. So I'm gonna have an alert if price is gonna break, and then I'm gonna look for the right pattern to short the German 30. Let's see if France 4, German 40, sorry, before was the 30 stocks, now they are 40. France 40 is looking more bullish than the Germany. So let's see. Moving on the commodity. Gold. We are seeing a little bit of price fighting now on the gold. I have some key level on the 4 hours, which you can see there is this 2 boxes here. So for me at the moment, I'm not fan of gold trade. I can see why, because yen is weak at the moment, so that's why gold is gaining a little bit, but I don't see the right price action to go long or even short. I will probably see if to be short if price is gonna break this 4-hour trend line, this one, and stay below 2000. So if price get below the 2000, I will be shorting the gold until this 1950. Until then, I'm not interested. So let's see, silver. Silver is looking more bearish. So that's why it's very contradictory to trade the gold if silver as well is not doing the same. I have this level here on silver to a 24 mark, which if price is gonna look tighter now, and after this big bearish bar, we have a few days of ranging market. You can see Friday and yesterday as well. Yesterday was doji bar. Let's see if it's gonna reject again the 24. And if I can see in the right price action, I think so. Tomorrow I'm gonna short silver. So if you want to have some more trading opportunity and trade ideas, so please subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to don't miss any opportunity, because we do 2 live trading events, one Tuesday and one Thursday, 1:30 p.m. UK time, and also Jake is doing as well Sunday planning for the next week, and also is doing a few video every week about stocks, cryptocurrency, and more hot things, which we're gonna look into every week. Yeah, silver is on my list to short as well, and crude oil. I said last week we could probably see a double bottom, and which is forming now. And so this 1, 2, 3 pattern. So we could probably see some upside on crude oil, but after this price action, for me is where you can put your stop loss. I don't know. So for me is out of my trading system. So I can see some upside, but for me it's not that clear. Yeah, that's it. So moving on, we are touching base everything. I think so. So still be patient, as we done last week. So be patient with the right price action, the right pattern. So see your strategy if it's gonna show. So if you want to know more and have some community, so join us. Yeah, to recap, I'm gonna wait a little bit more to see dollar if it stays still above 101.50. So I will be euro dollar short, and the indices just waiting for more confirmation. So if Nasdaq is gonna still stay above the key level, I will be more happy to go long on indices. If price is gonna go below, I will be buy more dollar. Top on my list, euro dollar short. So thank you very much for today, and I will see you Thursday afternoon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.